It's been a year and 6 months since I've tirelessly invested my time and resources into creating compelling content. And over the past months, there's been a significant development and wild change in my level of creativity. Time after time, I've had collaborations with top local brands, and bless how all of these have brought me to a loving community of interested persons that want to go into content creation full time and impact as many with their craft. There have been tons of questions, DMs, and comments on how I can share my knowledge and propel more creatives all across the world. I am Alan Hishari, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this platform, I'll be sharing all of my knowledge, tips and tricks, and all that is beneficial to transforming you from a normal person to an advanced creative. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and hit the bell next to it to be the first to watch all of my videos, as I'll be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single week. See you there.